Hey, what's happening, guys? This is the 12 volt sealed lead acid battery out of my 72-year-old aunt's Polaris Ace. One of these. Now, she don't go mudding or nothing like that. She lives out in the country, and it has a snowplow blade on the front of it, and she uses it to plow the snow, which we've needed to do exactly once this winter so far. And when she went to start up her Ace, it wouldn't start. So she had me come take a look, and it did not take me very long to find the problem. This 12 volt battery is only putting out 7 volts. Wah, wah, wah. So she has one of those old school Craftsman transformer battery chargers, you know, with the timer, and it turned it on and go, you know, old school. So ran it on here, no bueno. So I think it's probably shot, but we're going to give it one more chance, and that chance is going to be this guy right here. This is a 12 volt intelligent pulse repair charger that I got for just $10.97 off of Temu. It's 12 volt, 6 amp, AC powered. So let's plug it in. And I'm going to turn this overhead light off here so that you'll be able to see the screen here better. So it's currently plugged in, and it's on car truck mode there. It's telling me it's 18 degrees C, and it's telling me there is no battery connected. So I'm going to call this a motorcycle battery, and I'm going to press the mode button 1, 2 times until the motorcycle thing lit up. And then let's clamp it onto here. Well, that's just full. That's no bueno. All right, what if we put this in repair mode? Okay. So we are in repair mode. And we're going to see what's going to happen. Currently, it is almost 10 o'clock in the AM. So I'm going to let this run for a little bit, and we'll come back and talk about what it did or didn't do. Hopefully it can fix this. I don't have much faith in repair of batteries in general, just because of my background in education. I understand the chemical process in here, and it didn't just stop working for some reason, and throwing a few electrons at it is going to make it any better, but let's give it a shot. Anyway, I replaced her battery with a lithium iron phosphate battery, so we'll see how it does as well. But this will also be useful for me. I can use it on my tractor. If I ever buy another motorcycle, I can put it on there too. So, intelligent pulse charger made by Junctek Electronics Limited. Lithium battery prohibited, so don't use this on lithium batteries. Output 13.8 to 14.7 volts to 6 amps. Our input is 110 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Read instructions for use. This charger is only suitable for charging lead acid batteries. Do not charge non-rechargeable batteries. If the power supply cord is damaged, it must be replaced by a professional. All right. With this charge, then we'll come back and see what happens. Here's an interesting look at the pulse charge mode. You see it is going about 1 second at 10, or full charge, 14 volts, and about 1 second at between 9 and 10 volts. Maybe it's actually working. Very cool. Okay, so here is the car charger on Temu's page, you can see car battery charger 12 volt 6 amps, smart battery trickle charger auto 12 volt 24 volt battery maintainer for car, truck, motorcycle, lawnmower, marine, lead acid charger. It's a battery charger, but it's only $10.97, and I think that is a heck of a price. You can get it in red or, as I did, in yellow. There are some lovely pictures. Not too many people have many things to say. Here's some specs. Okay, type of batteries. Most types of lead acid batteries, including calcium, gel, and AGM, wet, EFB, voltage detection, switch mode technology, polarity protection, output short, non-battery link protection over voltage, over temperature, cooling fan, minimum start voltage. Okay, that's why it was saying it was full. It wasn't going to charge that unless it read at least 8 volts. So maybe we'll get lucky. I hope so. Battery range 4 to 100 amp hours, microprocessor controlled, professional automatic switch mode, different types of batteries. Cool. All right, gonna let it run. Hey guys, good news. So after about 15 minutes, I was able to put this thing back on the full charge mode. It had brought it up to over the 8 volt limit for the standard charge mode. So now we are standard charging at 4.6 volts. Very cool. Well, there you go. After about 4 hours, it shut off. Reading full. Holding steady at 13.8 volts. Yes, I know there's no load on it. Shall we put a load on it? Okay. Well, I was going to look for a load, and then this. The battery's just dropping. The battery is shot. The charger, on the other hand, is fantastic and did exactly what it was supposed to do. It took the battery back up over the 8 volts, which is the minimum starting voltage for this, and, you know, puts a charge into it. For $10. That's interesting. Oh well. The battery shot, the charger is nice. So I will put a link to where you can get this charger off Temu down below. I'm going to pay like $11 for it. That's pretty nice to throw in your toolbox, in your trunk, on your four-wheeler. Well, probably not doing much good on your four-wheeler because it's AC powered, but you get the idea. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to Temu, and a big thanks to you. That's it. I'm out. Peace.